Hello again, this is Geometry, Unit 4, Section 4.4. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, or Cpctc. This is video 2 of 4. Just going to handle yet another proof where we have to prove triangles are congruent in order to prove parts are congruent. Remember, every proof always starts with the given, what the problem tells us is true, and every proof will always finish with the goal of the proof. And in this goal, we're trying to prove that angles are congruent, so our mindset should be first prove triangles are congruent, and after we've done that, then we can prove the angles are congruent, so we can prove the parts are congruent. And justifications we could use for those, so our proving our triangles are congruent, we try to satisfy side, 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 angle, or angle, angle, side. One of those four stipulations would prove the triangles are congruent, and then we can finish with their parts are congruent, justified with Cpctc. Okay, so inside of the drawing we have two triangles. I'm going to highlight those for you. Maybe some people are struggling just to see the triangles that are inside of the drawing. So here's the two triangles, and I have to satisfy one of those four justifications to prove triangles are congruent. It's nice that I already have two pairs of sides congruent. I have a pair of sides here and here. So if I can show that that included angle is congruent, like A is congruent to C, I could use side, angle, side. Well, I can't say A is congruent to C because I have no justification to back that up. But I do have a segment in the middle that's on both triangles. So I have segment DB, which is congruent to itself. DB is congruent to BD, and the justification, this is a frequent one, we've seen this a lot, it's the same segment, therefore it'd be reflexive property of congruency proves that that segment's congruent to itself. Now I have three pairs of sides, and notice how I've satisfied one of the justifications for proving triangles are congruent, side, side, side. So now I can say those two triangles are congruent. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle CDB because of side, side, side. And then in the end, since the triangles are congruent, then I can start talking about their parts, and we always want to finish with what we were trying to prove. So my last conclusion will be angle A is congruent to angle C, and the reason for that being, since we have congruent triangles, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So Cpctc. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.